Good morning to all. So in the last class we have seen about that various natural phenomena like earthquake and what are the effects and how lightning was happen and what are the precaution we have to follow. So that are the things we have seen in the last class, and today's class we are going to see that the topic is light. The chapter name is called light. Okay. See, first of all you have to know, students, so think about light. So without light you cannot see any object. Am I right? Okay. Just close your eyes. Can you able to see? Can you able to identify any things? If you are identified by any things, that is by sensing, by using your organs, maybe hand or whatever. Okay. See, if I closed my eyes and if I have taken any object, so I have to recognize, right? In my mind, it will show what's called for example, if I have take a ball means, so by using our hand, so we can identify like from the shape we can desire it, right? So we can identify it. Okay. uh, okay, so maybe you can recognize some objects, right, by touching, but without touching can you see which one is present in front of you or side, the back side? When you are closing the eye, can you identify any object? Okay. So by using our eye, it's a special organ, so it's a kind of sensing organ, right? By using that organ we can able to see various things, for example buildings, roads, cars, and even which are the things you like. So everything you can see, right? So just think about if suddenly the power is gets off, so think about that time we have to search the matchbox. Am I right? Because we cannot see anything in front of. Am I right? In the dark night and all. Okay. See, what is mean by light? So here the light, it's a kind of, it's a form of energy. So here I will write. So what is that light? So light, it's a form of energy, and by using, so by using this energy, so by using this energy we can able to see. We can able to see. Am I right? Okay. See, one thing you have to know, it's a kind of energy. So by using this energy we can able to see. So that is that important topic. So which organ is useful for seeing different thing is that, you know, eye. Am I right? Okay. So by using that eye. Okay. So I asked a question, right? So if you closed your eyes means you can't able to see. Am I right? Okay. See, students, you know that one thing, because of that reflected light or emitted light we can see the different things. Okay. For example, just think about, so this is the object A. Okay. So from this object the light gets emitted. So whenever you know, so which object which can emit the light, that is called luminous object. Am I right? So that is called luminous object. Okay. So from the luminous object the light gets emitted and it will go to that various places. Am I right? So different objects, I have taken different objects, so namely B and C. So from this one it will go reflected and it will go reflected. So there are various way it can reflected. Okay. So from the source, this is called source of light. So the source of light, so that is called, you can see that luminous object or luminous source. So from this one it will go and hit at one point and then after it will be reflected. So either by using this emitted light, so this is called emitted from the source, it will come, no, this is called emitted. So either by using emitted light or reflected light we can able to see the thing. Okay, so reflected light we can able to see things. Okay, in detail I will say that. So just think about. So here this is sun. Okay, this is sun. So from the sun, suppose here what is that, here one object is there. Okay, maybe you can consider it's a rock, it's a kind of rock. Okay, I will write here rock. So from here, so from the sun the rays and all it will come. Am I right? Here the rays and all it will come. Okay, and from this rock, okay, so here, so this is eye, so we can able to see by using eye. Okay, so this is eye, and see here students, so initially it will go and hit to that rock, and this is called, and after that it will be reflected. Am I right? So the sun is the source of the light, that is called luminous body, and once the source and all emitted, and it will go and hit to that any of the object, from that object it will get reflected. That reflected light only we can receive by using the organ eye. Okay, so this is called reflected light. Okay, so by using that reflected light only we can able to see the things. Okay students, so by visualizing, this energy will be helpful for visualizing the various things. Okay, and so in this lesson we are going to learn about the different things. What is that reflection? Okay, so everything based on the properties of that, so we are going to see. Okay, the first one we consider one activity. Here one activity. Okay, the first one, so in this for this activity, what are the things you have to need? One small mirror. Okay, small mirror, and one torchlight, and one comb, and then black papers, black chart, small piece of paper, black chart. Okay, so first one, what we have to do, see students, and so first one here, so here I placed the mirror by using stand. I place the mirror first. Okay, so just I place that mirror. So the mirror I have taken here. So can I write that? So this is the mirror A, B, C, D. Okay, and here I have taken one comb. Here I have taken one comb. So this kind of will come. Am I right? Okay. So this is one comb I have taken, and see through this here one source, torchlight. Okay, so here I have taken one torchlight source. Sorry. So from here I have taken torchlight. Okay, so here I covered with the by using black color chart. So I just covered this portion fully. Okay, this portion fully I just covered. So now I can able to see things. Only thing is this stripes only, this small gap. Okay, see students, so when the torch light is gets on, see, from here the rays will come, it will hit, am I right? So here it will hit. Okay, so through the narrow strip you just focus the light. See, once it will be fall on that point, so this point is called incident point. Okay, and see, when the rays is starting from the source, so this is called source. Okay, this is having source. So from the source the rays and all passing, no, a single ray. Okay, it's a single ray. This is called here incident ray. This is called incident ray. And then after, once it will be hit at the incident point, it will be going this kind of, am I right? Okay, so this is called your reflected ray. So what is going to be incident ray? So incident ray is nothing but from the source the ray, it will go and meet this point. Okay, so that is called the incident ray. So after that point it will change the direction of light. So reflected ray means when the rays and all, it will be coming and it will change the direction of light, that ray is called reflected ray. Okay, so this kind of, if you adjust this torchlight at various position, for example, see, if I adjust this position at some manner, means based on that what angle you are focusing, so from that it will be reflected, am I right? See, it will go this kind of, if I focus this point, means it will be reflected this kind of. Okay, so there are various way we can focus. So this is called incident ray and reflected ray, am I right? Incident ray and reflected ray. Okay, see, one more thing. So see here, if you adjust this point, incident ray and the reflected ray, see, I will move to the next page. I just draw. Okay, see, first one I just identify here. So first I will take that one mirror. Okay, so here I will take one mirror. So this is called mirror. Okay, so here I have mentioned, see here, I draw one line. Okay, so I have drawn one line. So this is, from this line I am going to fix one torch. Same way. Okay, so here the torch is there. Okay, so from here I fix the torch. So this is called incident ray. Okay, same way here, this is incident point. Okay, and after that it will be going, so this is called reflected ray. Okay, and when you have taken one scale, and if you draw that straight line, if you put the straight line here, from here means, so this is called normal line. This line is called normal line. Okay, this is called incident ray, normal line, reflected ray. Okay,